themselves up is by wiggling their arms out. So I keep his arm down his side, and then I have the diamond here on the top. And so I'm going to do down, up, down, up. So I'm going to do just one at a time here. So keep that arm down straight, down and across. And then I'm going to tuck it in pretty firmly. And I'm going to take the bottom corner, and I'm going to go up and over this other shoulder. And I'm starting to put this arm down too. So up and over.
Oh, cool. I usually put his arm down on the second one.
Oh yeah, there's different ways to do. And then I go down to the middle, and then up and over again. I know there's all sorts of ways to do it, but you just want to keep their arms in tight.
He's always having his right shoulder open most of the time.
That's what he does. So down and across again, up and over, and then
This is
down
better.
and across,
Yeah, it's different.
and then up and over. I know, and other
Cool.
nurses do different things. That's just the way that I learned it. So you just want to make sure that his, like, the blankets are down far enough, you know, that it's not going to be up, like, where his face is, and he'll probably get really tired now that we got him all swaddled up. But this kind of, they call this the first